Hey everybody, we're on a 2016 Ford F-150. This is an XLT with electronic parking brake, and it needs rear brake pads. And I'm going to show you how to put it in maintenance mode so that you can retract the parking brake stepper motors so that you can push the pistons in and replace your brake pads, and then reinstall the calipers, and then reapply the pistons with your new pads and have your brakes work again. It's a pretty simple process. Basically, I'll go through the steps real quick. We're going to turn the key to the run position at the same time that we're pushing in on the parking brake button, but we're going to have to watch a light up here, the brake light, and then we're going to end up turning the key off and back on again, and that's going to retract the pistons. And then I'll show you also how to put it back into normal parking brake mode. So let me get the camera set up. I'm going to turn the key off to start, and I hope you're going to be able to hear the parking brake stepper motors retract. And then we're also going to get a confirmation up here on the driver information display that says that it's in maintenance mode. So right now the key's off. I've got my finger just resting on the parking brake button. I'm going to push the button and turn the key on while holding down on the gas pedal. So the gas pedal is being held to the floor right now. Okay, I'm going to turn the key on, and I'm going to push and hold the parking brake button. We're watching the brake light. Okay, off with the key. I'm still holding the button. On with the key. Hopefully you heard the brakes. And now you can look up on the display, and it says park brake maintenance mode. So at this point you can turn the key off, do all the work that you need to do to the brakes, replace your pads, whatever. Now to get it out of service mode, I've got the key in the ignition. Now, whenever I turn the key on, I'm going to pull out and hold this switch. Now, also, you got to watch the light. So I'm going to push and hold the gas pedal all the way to the floor. I'm going to turn the key to the run position while pulling out on the parking brake switch. Here we go. Pulling out and key on. Watching the brake light. Brake light's flashing. Key off. Key on. Hopefully you can hear the brake stepper motors. And now it's out of service mode. And this car's got TPMS sensors that are bad, so ignore that. So now we're out of service mode. Everything's back to normal. So just to recap real quick. Gas pedal all the way to the floor. You're going to push in on the switch at the same time turning the key on. When the light goes out, when the brake light goes out, turn the key off and then back on. You should start hearing your stepper motors for the brake, parking brake. To get it out of service mode, you're going to pull out on the switch at the same time that you're turning the key on with the gas pedal pushed to the floor. When the light starts flashing, key off, key back on. And then you should hear the parking brake stepper motors recalibrate themselves and push the pistons back in. Anyway, that's it. We're done. This is a Ford F-150, but it works the same on a lot of Fords. So if you've got electronic parking brake, give it a shot if you need to replace your brake pads. We'll talk to you later.